Hey everybody, welcome back to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and today we're doing another segment of realistic detailing. This Tacoma is getting waxed with one of my favorite waxes of all time. One coat, that's all it gets. Stick around. So now let's talk about what we're gonna use today on the Tacoma. I've got one of my normal ordinary wax pads, and here is my favorite wax, probably of all time, one of my favorites. This is easily in my top 3, I should say. This is the Meguiar's Deep Crystal Carnauba wax. This is great stuff. This will shine up this truck beautifully. This wax goes on very smoothly. It comes off very easily. I found that with this Carnauba wax, you generally get about 2 to 3 months of protection. I have also found that this wax is better used in spring, fall, and the winter months. Not in the summertime. Usually when the paint temperature in the hot sun gets above 140 degrees, this wax basically vanishes and becomes useless at that point. So usually a synthetic, I found, is better in the summertime. This wax though, we're gonna use today. We're gonna give it a shot. We're also gonna be using a very, very soft wax removing towel to pull off this wax coat. And ladies and gentlemen, the softer the better. This is a very soft towel. I will have links for all of these items down below in the description, so take a look. We're gonna shake this bottle up good. I'm also applying this wax coat in the garage, so I have a nice cool paint surface to apply this wax to. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pad, I'm gonna apply a couple dots, and then I'm gonna work it in to the rest of the pad, kind of swoosh it around a little bit. I'm gonna dab it in a couple spots. I'm just gonna quickly and gently work it in. It doesn't take a lot of pressure, and this wax does dry up fairly quick. And then I'm just gonna kind of go up and down like that, and then side to side. A thin coat does it just right here. I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes until it starts to haze. So now we do have a little bit of a haze. If I kind of do that, you can see that the wax is ready to come off, and I'm gonna take my special towel here. We're just gonna buff this off, and immediately this thing has an outstanding shine. It comes off that easy. Boom, 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 done. Look at that. That is, and it's super smooth. Kind of smells a little fruity. It kind of smells like bananas almost. It's got a fruity scent to it, but it's kind of nice. I like it. I'm gonna continue to wax the rest of the vehicle now. Just kind of stay tuned and see how I do it. Here are some simple detailing tips to keep in mind. Wash your vehicle regularly. I typically wash my vehicles at least once a week, if not every other week. This helps maintain the paint surface on the vehicles. I usually wax my vehicles once every season, once in the fall, once in the winter, once in the spring, and once in the summer. I like to use a variety of different waxes. I typically see Carnauba waxes lasting about 2 to 3 months, and I see synthetic waxes lasting about 3 to 6 months. I'm always eager to try new waxes and sealants, so if you think of any and you want to put them in the comments below, feel free to do so. I also have a video linked in the description below showing how to maximize your car wash's soap and other proper rinsing techniques, so check it out. Everybody, there you go. Take a look at the shine on this Tacoma. Beautiful. Outstanding. Very smooth to the touch. Smells good. Looks good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. I'm really happy the way this Tacoma turned out with that coat of wax. It looks awesome. It's smooth to the touch. For 10 bucks a bottle, you can't go wrong. Now, like I said earlier, this coat of wax will last about 2 to 3 months. At that point, I'll probably go with something a little bit more synthetic based. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Stay tuned to all the latest videos on this channel by subscribing down below. Thanks again for tuning into Garage Gear, and I'll see you in the garage.